Would you like to know the status of your machines in real time, as well as many other functionalities? We explain all the advantages offered by our DigitalBLUG platform. What are the functionalities of the platform? Thanks to the platform, you will be able to access information about your machines in real time and carry out maintenance and continuous monitoring of their status, generating alerts and notifications in anticipation of any breakdown. It interacts simultaneously with the machine, offering you greater control and diagnosis from anywhere, through multiple devices such as your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. You will also have access to all the documentation related to your machines. Monitor your machines in real time. Access the evolution of the previously established signals to keep control of your machines at all times. Record any task performed on the machine or any information that may be relevant for its proper maintenance. Generate thresholds that create notifications, alerts, or maintenance tasks. Finally, you can generate predictive maintenance models that help to avoid a future breakdown. All this monitoring and control can be carried out in combination with a BLUG expert technician. Within the platform, you will be able to save documentation relating to the machines, such as the history of maintenance tasks carried out on the machine, technical data sheets with their corresponding characteristics, maintenance manuals, and even explanatory videos of any kind. What are the benefits of the platform? You will be able to maximize the service life of your machines. Reduce the number of unscheduled stops. Increase machine performance. You will be able to count on BLUG's technical advice. And finally, centralize and facilitate the management of maintenance and spare parts. If you want to know more about our DigitalBLUG platform, do not hesitate, visit our website or our LinkedIn profile, or contact us through our email or telephone contact, and we will answer any questions you may have. See you soon.